Hey everyone, welcome back, and in today's episode we're fitting some really cool carpets to the Morris Minor. So you haven't actually seen a huge amount of footage on the Morris Minor because essentially it's just been a passion project with me and the old man. As you can see, currently we're compounding down all the sides, so trying to get rid of all the crap and stuff on the car. But yeah, it's all getting compounded down, and then fixing any of the major scratches, and then we're going to buff it up, use some more perfection, get some really good quality shine coming from it. But today we've got some carpets to put in the boot, so hopefully the light's not too bad in here. Yeah, the light's not too bad. So yeah, we've got some carpets to go in the boot, and we'll show them off in a second. So this is currently what the boot is looking like. What we're going to do though is we've got a lovely Morris Minor pattern to go on here, and then the Union flag to go along the back, and that was made by an amazing creator called Carpetworks. The link will be here. Also his Instagram's going to be in the description below. If you need anything made up, we're probably going to get some Splodgemotors stuff made up from him as well, because the stuff he makes is just fantastic. We found him on Instagram and just kind of wanted a couple of stuff done. Got a couple of the bits bought from the old man's Christmas present and birthday, so we're finally getting around to fitting it. So this passion project, we're going to do a proper little video over the Morris Minor if you really want to, but the last bit of footage I probably filmed of it is us actually fitting all the interior back in, so I'll throw that in now if you just want to have a quick look over it. But it all runs properly. It's not the first one that was on the channel. This is a completely different one. This has all been painted up, the wheels have all been refurbed. So yeah, it's coming along really well, and we'll show you everything going in. So this is what the Union flag looks like, and as you can see, it's all been put together, perfectly cut. It just looks fantastic. It looks even better from far away. And then you get nice and close, you can see the detail really gone into it. And then we'll show you the actual Morris Minor bit. As I'm thinking though, getting a nice little Splodgemotors one for the carpet to go underneath the roll bar. What do you think? Yes? No? Let me know. So yeah, we'll see. And this is the actual Morris design. So the guy at Carpetworks can literally go for anything you want. If you wanted to go for blue and black and white, or get this in the blue as it normally would be, but we're going for the burgundy red because obviously the inside of the car is burgundy red, and yeah, it's going to match. It's going to look really nice. And then we've got the Union flag on the back. So essentially all we need to do is we've got the little lip installed already. That's just got some self tappers on it, and then we'll slide the carpet in, and then it will fold up slightly. We could cut it down, but I think we're going to leave it just so we don't cock it up, to be perfectly honest. And then we'll put the Union flag in the back. So it's going to look really smart, and we'll try to film what we can. Wow, that looks good.
I've just got to put three
little self tappers in.
Self-tappers in, and that will be done.
So that's it pushed in, and we're just going to put some small little self tappers just at the top to hold it. But that looks really, really smart. Really smart. Obviously, these cables are going to get tucked and out of the way, but very nice.
Should be alright like that.
You happy?
Yeah.
Good.
You?
Very.
That
That's
good?
come out really well. And then you get your little tea set, and you pop your tea set on, and you're all set to go.
Yeah. I'll leave the plastic.
Yeah, we'll leave the plastic on for now, but
yeah. Right.
definitely looks brilliant. So yeah, if you're after something like this, or something completely different to this but want it made out of carpet, that's the Instagram you need. It'll all be linked in the description below. If you can send us out a white sticker, a couple of white stickers, then we can put that on the car and stuff. Preferably a small one that we can fit in there, might look really cool. But yeah, it looks really, really smart. Really, really smart. If there's anything that you want to see from the car, then let us know. Drop it in the description or drop it in the comment section below. But yeah, I'll leave you with a couple of beauty shots of this. This is the Morris Minor. There's going to be a living with video coming with it because it'd be rude not to, and actually see what it's like to drive. Top speed of about 50 miles an hour if you're going downhill. Little sneak peek of that. But yeah, that is it. That is the Morris Minor. That is the carpet. A massive shout out to Carpet Works, the incredible job that you've done here. Again, the video is not sponsored at all, but you just want to show off the quality of this. This one dude who does it in his spare time, because it's, yeah, fantastic. As I say, that's the interior. That's all come undone quite nicely. You can see the back. All we've done to fix it is a little bit of MDF. Yeah, a little bit of MDF. That's what the Union flag's connected to. So when that's actually sitting up like so, obviously, when that's sitting up like so, you don't even see it. So thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment, rate and subscribe, and let us know if there's any content you want to see. Bye bye.